Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Here's a neat little lens effect. Type you out some text, any text, and make it a particular size of height, like 15 inches or whatever you decide. Because then you're going to take an ellipse and make your ellipse 15 inches. And then I'm going to hit P so everything's in the center. That is selected. It needs to be selected. Go to Effects and Lens and go to Lens Effect and go to Fisheye, and it does that right there. And you can change it. You can make it 200%, but then freeze it and take away the outline of the red. And it's a pretty cool effect that you might be able to incorporate on printing a shirt, because it actually picks up, the text like going across the middle, the and, tricks, CorelDraw. You can read every letter. Pretty cool effect. Hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.